Star Wars fans or not? It doesn't matter anyways. So today we'll be doing the Star Wars plane Starfighter. Okay, so it's pretty easy. The paper that I recommend is using a A4 sheet or printer paper. You could use other papers, but this works the best. So the most important thing, before I start, I want to say something. When you are doing it, make sure that the creases are really perfect, and make sure that the paper doesn't go exceeds the limit. Okay, so we're going to be doing like a plus, a vertical fold and a horizontal fold. If you wonder why, just see till the end of the video. And by the way, if you want to see me doing the TIE bomber, another Star Wars plane, click right here to see it. And to see all of my other planes that I did, the Limbus, the Galaxy Fighter, the Psychotic Cyclone, again click right here to see it. And anyways, let's do the TIE fighter. So this plane actually can't fly, but it doesn't, it's not like the other planes that I did, like the Galaxy Fighter Limbus. It can't fly for long. It's neither a glider nor a dart. Okay, just hold that. And now fold, like, let's see what I did. I just fold it in half and did that step. Even the TIE bomber can fly. Fly in the sense just like this, glide for a bit and fall down. So the best way I could tell is go to your terrace and just slightly throw it like that. I mean, of course, out of the building. It will fall down really slowly. It will glide. If it's a windy place, it will of course glide for a long time. Okay, the most important thing is it will look like a TIE bomber. I mean, a TIE fighter. Okay, so alright, now opening this pocket right here and placing it like that. So these steps are really important. I'm just folding it like that and opening like that. So we're just trying to create like the 4 stabilizers it has. Like it has a huge one like this, and then there's the plane and the cockpit right in the middle. Okay, so like that. So as you can see, 4 wings. We just did that. Right now, right. So let's do it. Hold this place really tightly. Don't let it skid. Bring it till there, like that, and crease it really hard. Alright, so that's not bad. Okay, squeezing it. Okay, and now bringing this back like this. Nice and easy, guys. So we're gonna be, before we do it, let's just find the center line like this. Okay, so that's the center line of this and this, and now we are going to be aligning that line with this line, if you can understand what I'm trying to say. Okay, let's zoom in. So yeah, oh my god, my hands are hurting. Crease really well. Just zoom out. Alright, now turn the paper over like that, fold in half. See, we are almost finished. So what I tried to omit is like making one flap going above the other, but if it comes like that, it's completely fine. No harm done. Alright, now fold it right where this line meets. Let me just show you. Right where we're going to be doing a fold right there. A bit below, not right there, a bit below, and mirror imaging that for it to fly really well. Alright, now let me just zoom out a bit. Yeah. Okay, so we got that. Now let's do the center pocket. Now bring it like this, fold it like this, and fold it this way like this. Okay, and now just open this pocket and push it in like that and crease it. Okay, alright, so it tends to tear, be careful, it tore for me a bit. Alright now, so we've got that. Now, right where this line ends, crease a tear, that's for stabilizers, it has huge stabilizers. But even though when you throw it, it's not stable. I don't know how the physics works for that. Right, so like that, and again, so what you're doing is you're just folding it till you can't, like, can you see? Yeah, yes, so, I don't know how to say that. Alright, that's good. And now we're just spreading the wings, and like that. So the only difference is for the tie bomber, you just see that video. That's the only difference. Okay, zoom out. Just a second. Yeah, that's it, you guys. We have finished. So there you go. That's your tie bomb, tie fighter. So stable wings. Sort of looks like it. I don't know. Thank you guys for watching. If you're not already a subscriber, click right here to subscribe. Click right here to see my latest video, and click right here to see the Limbus airplane series. Okay, thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video.